friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making a healthy gluten-free cake with almond flour and blueberries. So for this cake, we just need very simple ingredients: eggs, maple syrup, almond flour, baking powder, and blueberries. And instead of maple syrup, you can use any other sweeteners such as honey, sugar, or any of the keto sweeteners such as Splenda. First, let's preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to spray a round 9-inch cake pan with a non-stick cooking spray. If you'd like, you can grease it with oil or butter, or you can line it with parchment paper, so anything to just keep it from sticking. Now I'm going to crack 4 eggs in a bowl. And also I will add the sweetener, so in my case it's maple syrup. So we need a 1/4 cup of maple syrup or any other sweetener you choose to use. And now let's whisk it until combined. Okay, next I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of almond flour. So here's 1 cup and 1/4 cup. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And now let's mix until combined. And finally, let's add the blueberries. So I'm going to add the whole bag of frozen blueberries. It's 12 ounces. You can also use fresh blueberries. So add the whole bag of frozen blueberries. And now mix until combined. And now let's add the cake batter to the pan. And let's put it in the oven. So 400 degrees Fahrenheit, preheated oven. and let it bake. Now the oven is done baking the cake, so let's take a look. This blueberry cake is ready. Look at that, it looks amazing. And this cake is healthy too. Now let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing it. Now I'm so excited about trying this blueberry cake. Now let's cut it. It looks so delicious. Look at that. Look at all those blueberries. I can't believe this cake is healthy. Let's try it. So good. You're going to love this healthy cake. Please make it so easy, gluten-free, healthy. Everyone's gonna love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for other easy, healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!